In this period of inflation, it is tempting to price up our brands. But how do we price up right without losing consumers? Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Now, let's dive right into today's topic, pricing up in this period of inflation. It is a challenging situation, isn't it? As the cost of doing business keeps rising, it is tempting to price up our brands to cover our losses. But here is the catch: how we do price up without scaring away our beloved consumers. Picture this: you want to price up your products or services to maintain profitability. You want to provide a better experience for your consumers or to invest in marketing. It all sounds great, but if we carried away with pricing up, we may end up burning ourselves and losing our valuable consumers. So, let's explore some key principles on how to price up correctly and strike that delicate balance. First, let's shift our focus from internal data crunching numbers to consumers' price point. When we inevitably have to increase the prices, we must do so with deep understanding of how much the consumers are willing to pay. Instead of blindly accepting the price suggestion from the finance department, let's put ourselves in the consumer's shoes. Think about their perceptions and what price points are meaningful for them. Here's the practical approach. Set yourself the price point that you want to target, and then challenge yourself and your finance department to cut costs and meet that price point while maintaining profitability. This means the pricing should not exceed those consumer meaningful price points. Often, you will discover hidden ways within your system that you can eliminate to reduce cost. However, if you find yourself so desperate that you must exceed those consumers' price point, then consider brand relaunch tactic. Bundle the price increase with improved packaging, new propositions, and better consumer experience. It is a way to sweeten the deal. This tactic will offer your consumers better experience in exchange of the higher price. Another strategy is to create different brands portfolio. One premium brand, higher price, the other one is average price brand. This will allow the higher price premium brand to subsidize the average price brand. Think about airlines with their first class, business class, and economy class offerings. If those airlines only have first class, they will not attract enough passengers. But by balancing more passengers for the economy class, cheaper price, with the higher premium business and first class, overall, they can improve their profitability. So, the key is to identify a segment within your target consumers that is willing to pay premium price for a better service or experience. It could be consumers with specific needs. For airlines, this is the kind of the consumer who will travel often, the business travelers. Or, if you are a skincare brand, this is a kind of consumer who is willing to pay more for more intensive skincare treatment. Cater for their needs and offer them better experience in exchange for the higher, more premium price while on the other hand, keeping your base consumers intact. Now, let's talk about reframing value proposition. Pricing does not mean value, and pricing up does not mean reducing the value for the consumers. As marketers, our job is to sell hope. Hope for a slimmer body, hope for glowing skin, hope for more prestige, hope for increased sex appeal. Hope sells, my friends. Just look at premium brands, Mercedes, Louis Vuitton, Montblanc. Their high prices do not indicate low value. In fact, it's the opposite. Consumers buy something more than the physical product. They buy the emotional benefits and the hope that those premium brands will offer. So let's dig deep and understand the emotional benefits that your consumers are seeking. Once we grasp that, we can unleash the power of reframing. Connect your brand with a deeper emotional payoff that resonates with your consumers. Are you selling skincare products or hope for higher confidence? Are you selling electric guitars or the desire to look like a rock star? Discover what your consumer will be missing out if they don't experience the benefits of your brands. The fear of negative consequences is a powerful motivator. It is a vital tool in every marketer's toolbox. You are not selling deodorant. You're overcoming the fear of bad odor during the first date. Alright, my friends, now it is your turn. What strategies do you employ to price up without losing your valuable consumers? I would love to hear your thoughts and insights. Please share them in the comment sections below. If you find that this podcast is valuable and informative, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.